it's Rena here with a DIY craft project. We're going to be making a welcome signed wall decor from a pizza pan today. I've seen this craft on Pinterest and YouTube, so it's not my original idea, but it turned out to be a really simple and cute project. So keep on watching if this is something that you'd like to make, and let's get started. Pizza pan wall door decor, craft supply list. Pizza pan, purchased from the Dollar Tree. Decorative placemat, also purchased from the Dollar Tree. A hot glue gun and glue. Scissors. E6000 glue if you choose to glue a hanger or ribbon on the back. A foam paintbrush. Acrylic or chalk paint. And decorative pieces such as ribbon, greenery, rope, and twine. Alright, to get started on your craft, you will want to make sure that you gather all of your materials. It's just so much easier to get started when you have them ready. For this craft, I actually painted the rim. So you actually will just paint along the rim here. And the reason that I painted mine, because I think the silver is really pretty, but this is the placemat that we are using. And it has this really pretty cream colored writing on that. And I wanted to make the frame for this, or the rim, to pop. While your craft is drying, you can go ahead and cut out your sun from your placemat. And a really good trick that I used is the pizza pan actually has the store barcode on it, and so it's a perfect half circle, and so it makes a perfect template. So what I did was, on a large piece of paper, I put it down like this, and I traced it, and then I put it at the top and traced the top part, so it came out like this. And this is a perfect template to place on your placemat to get the perfect fit for your pizza pan. And so you will just place it right on the sun like that, and then you will just trace around, and that will have your placemat cut out for your pizza pan. Well, I knew at first that the placemat was not going to be a perfect fit. As you can see here, it's not perfectly round at the top, and so you want to cover that, but you want to do that in a, a fun decorative way. So I wanted a rustic look, but I didn't have any rope at hand, and couldn't find any at the Dollar Tree, so I did have twine. And so what I did was made really cute loops, tied them off, and I glued them all the way around the rim, and I'll show you that in just a moment. To make your rustic loops, you will have your twine here, and what I did was I held it in my hand like this, and I started with the piece going down, and then I made 5 loops. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the 5th one is the end going up that direction. I snipped it off like that, pulled it together like this, and then what I did was I wrapped one going one direction and this bottom one going the opposite direction, and then I tied them off together. Hopefully you can see this. It's tied right there, and that is my loop. So just cut off the ends, and so I made several of these to go all the way around my rim. Alright, to assemble the sign, you will make sure that the rim is completely dry if you painted it, and you want to make sure that your placemat is ready to fit inside and ready to glue. So you will take your pizza pan, and then you will glue your placemat inside, and then you will also decorate around the rim with rope, with twine, decorative ribbon, and then you will embellish it with ribbon and anything else, the greenery, anything else that you have at hand at home. Alright, so here's the finished project, and as you can see, there are endless ideas of how you can decorate or create something from a simple item such as a pizza pan. So you could do seasonal decor or door hangers. You could even do a trendy wall decor for your home as well. So as always, I hope that it inspires you to create your own craft and try something new. Remember, the directions and the craft supply list are listed in the direction box below. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting.